New developments in the death of Gabby Petito.
Her parents have filed a new complaint claiming that her boyfriend, Brian Laundrie, told his parents that she was, quote, gone nearly 2 weeks before she was reported missing.
Jodi Goldberg talked to the Petito's attorney and has the very latest.
A deposition says 2 days after Gabby Petito was killed, Brian Laundrie called his parents and said she was gone and he needed a lawyer.
It proves that they knew about 3 weeks prior to the time that her body was actually discovered that she had been killed.
Patrick Riley, who represents Gabby's family, says while the Laundries didn't admit to knowing Gabby was killed, they sent their family lawyer, Stephen Bertolino, a retainer. Riley filed a motion to force him into disclosing exactly what he knew.
Attorney Bertolino testified in his deposition that he contacted the public defender's office in Jackson, Wyoming, and that's the county in which her body was located and ultimately discovered.
These findings come as a civil trial between the two sides plays out in court. Riley says the Laundries caused emotional distress by withholding information on Gabby's fate.
In my opinion, Brian confessed, and so he waived attorney-client privilege.
In the latest complaint filed by Riley, he alleges Bertolino and Brian's parents misled his clients when they released a statement expressing false hope that Gabby was still alive.
They made the outrageous statement that they understood there was a search underway for Gabby. They hoped the search was successful and the family was reunited. Well, the family can't be reunited if Gabby has been murdered by their son.
Gabby Petito never goes outside.
Gabby and Brian were documenting their cross-country trip on social media back in 2021 when she disappeared and he returned home alone with her van. Gabby's body was found. Brian committed suicide after writing a confession.
What the Petito family wants out of this lawsuit is justice.
Former prosecutor Imran Ansari says this revelation could be problematic for the Laundries and their attorney.
You have the right to remain silent, or an attorney does not need to make any sort of statement on behalf of their client. But if they choose to do so, then you have to make sure that you're doing so accurately and you're not putting forward false information or obstructing a law enforcement investigation.
A hearing is set for December 20th to determine whether Bertolino's attorney-client privilege should be upheld. Now, this in an effort to make public what was said about Gabby's disappearance. The civil case is set to go to trial in May of next year. In Blue Point, Long Island, Jodi Goldberg, Fox 5 News.